Stop wasting time trying to write or record audiobooks yourself. What if you could press one button and let an AI agent write, narrate, format, and publish your audiobook to Spotify, Audible, and Apple Books? Welcome to my AudioMint review here on App Verdict. Honestly, this is a game changer. AudioMint takes a process that usually costs thousands of dollars and weeks of work and compresses it into 60 seconds. If you want passive royalty income without the heavy lifting, this gets a huge yes from me. Keep watching because I have put together a massive exclusive bonus package you will not find anywhere else, but it is only available through the link in the description. So what exactly is AudioMint? It is the world's first fully autonomous AI publishing machine. It is built for anyone who wants to tap into the $14 billion audiobook industry but has no idea how to start. You do not need a microphone, you do not need to hire expensive voice actors, you do not even need to write a script. The AI handles the research, the writing, the human-sounding voiceover, the cover art, and the formatting. It even pushes your finished short-form audiobooks to over 10 major platforms at once.
In attempts of teaching partner. The concept is for people to trust and procedure.
Let's look inside the dashboard. It's incredibly simple. Step 1, you pick your genre. They have 16 proven frameworks built in, like sleep stories, true crime, or personal finance. You can type in a basic idea or just leave it blank. Step 2, you hit the Create button. Right before your eyes, the AI writes a full script engineered for audio, strips out weird robotic phrases, and narrates it using studio-quality AI voices. Step 3, you click Publish. AudioMint packages the files to the exact specs required by platforms like Audible, Barnes& Noble, and Spotify and distributes them simultaneously. You just sit back and let the system work.
What if you could press one button and wake up to passive income of $4,410 or even $8,700 from Spotify, Audible, and Apple Books without writing a single word like we did? I know that sounds impossible. I know you've heard big promises before, so let me just show you something real in the next 4 minutes, because what I'm about to reveal is already working for hundreds of people who had zero experience, zero equipment, and zero idea where to start. They just had a button. This button. Here's the thing nobody tells you about the audiobook market. It's generating $6.5 billion a year. Spotify is expanding audio content aggressively. Audible adds millions of new subscribers every quarter. Apple Books just opened their catalog wider than ever before. The platforms are hungry for content, but getting in? That was the problem. You needed a finished script, a professional narrator, recording equipment, mastering software. Then you had to manually format and upload to every platform separately. Most people spent months and thousands of dollars just to publish one book. Most people gave up, and the ones who didn't, they were still leaving money on the table because they couldn't publish fast enough to keep up with demand. Until now. Introducing AudioMint, the world's first fully autonomous AI audiobook system. You type a topic or speak it out loud, and AudioMint writes the complete script, narrates it in a studio-quality human-like voice, adds background music and professional audio production, generates the cover art and platform metadata, and then publishes it automatically to Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and more. All of it in under 60 seconds. No writing, no recording, no editing, no experience, no monthly fees, just one button. Let me paint you a picture of what this actually looks like. You open AudioMint, you choose a genre, let's say true crime. You type in a topic, one click, and then you watch. A title appears, chapters form, the script writes itself line by line, then a voice begins. Warm, paced, emotional, real. Music fades in. Audio levels balance automatically. A cover generates. Description written. Keywords placed. Platform formatting done. Upload begins. Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, and before you've finished your coffee, you have a live, published, income-generating audiobook on every major platform on the planet. That's not a demo. That's AudioMint. Every single time. Marcus had zero experience. Published his first audiobook in 12 minutes. Got his first stream notification 2 hours later. Jordan published 11 audiobooks in 3 days, made $3,200 in month 1. Priya now offers audiobook production as a $1,500 agency service. Her cost? Essentially zero. These aren't outliers. This is what happens when the barrier disappears. When you get AudioMint today, you get the full audiobook income system, the AI book generation engine, across 16 genres with series builder included, the AI voice narration system, studio quality, emotion-controlled, multi-accent, the professional audio production suite, music, mastering, branding, export, the AI packaging engine, cover art, descriptions, metadata, all of it, the auto-publish system, one-click distribution to 10-plus platforms. You get the trend discovery engine that tells you exactly what topics are hot right now. You get 16 preloaded genre markets, horror, romance, true crime, sleep stories, finance, children's books, and more, all pre-built with proven hooks and templates. You get the AI series builder so you can create multi-part audiobook catalog that compound your income over time. And you get a free commercial license, meaning everything you create, you own 100%. Sell it, stream it, keep every penny, plus 5 premium bonuses, including the Fast Start Playbook, Monetization Mastery Guide, Genre Domination Guide, Client Acquisition Pack, and Lifetime Updates. All of this for a single one-time payment. No subscriptions, no API costs, no recurring fees, ever. And if for any reason it doesn't doesn't work for you, just send us an email within 30 days. We'll refund every single cent. No questions, no fine print. All of the risk is on our shoulders. And here's what makes this truly unfair in your favor. Any audiobooks you create during those 30 days, yours. Any royalties those audiobooks earn, yours to keep, even if you refund. Guarantees like this don't come along every day. Neither do opportunities like this. We're that confident in what AudioMint delivers. Here's the truth. The audiobook market is wide open right now. The platforms want content. The listeners are there. The income is passive once it's published. The only thing that was missing was a way to get in without spending months and thousands of dollars to do it. That's what AudioMint solves. One button. Unlimited audiobooks. Published everywhere. Earning always. Click the button below right now before the one-time price disappears, because the next person who visits this page might see a monthly subscription instead. Don't let that be you. I'll see you on the inside. Let's build your audiobook empire.
AudioMint starts at a one-time fee of $17. That alone is an absolute steal, but there are a few optional upgrades you should know about to maximize your profits. OTO 1 is the Pro version for $67. I highly recommend this because it unlocks unlimited publishing, which is exactly how you scale your royalty income. OTO 2 is the Done For You package at $297. This is perfect if you want to sell audiobook services to local clients and want everything set up for you instantly. You can skip the rest of the OTOs unless you want full agency rights. Now let's talk about my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. If you grab AudioMint through the link below, I'm giving you 10 premium bonuses designed to help you get more traffic, land high-paying clients, and make more money. Bonus 1 is Client Extractor. This software pulls local business data from Google Maps so you can contact them and offer custom audiobook services for $500 or more. Bonus 2 is WP Cash-O-Matic. Instantly build product pages on your own site to sell your audiobooks directly and keep 100% of the profit. Bonus 3 is Social Media Marketing Boost. Learn how to drive targeted listeners from social platforms straight to your new audiobook listings. Bonus 4 is Lead Book Generator. Build a massive mailing list of hungry audiobook listeners using Facebook lead ads. Bonus 5 is WP Video Focus. Turn your audiobooks into simple YouTube videos to tap into massive video search traffic. Bonus 6 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a powerful training on getting laser-targeted visitors to your offers for pennies. Bonus 7 is Affiliate Sales Engine. Create banners and affiliate posts in seconds to promote your new audio content across the web. Bonus 8 is Viral Master List Builder. Grow a huge audience on autopilot using the power of viral social networks. Bonus 9 is Online Viral Marketing Secrets. Discover the exact shortcuts top marketers use to make their content spread like wildfire. And bonus 10 is the 10K ClickFunnels case study. See exactly how to build high-converting funnels to scale your online business even further. These 10 custom bonuses are waiting for you right now, but you have to act fast. I'm only giving these bonuses away to the first 50 people who buy through my link. Once those 50 spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus page down for good. AudioMint is the fastest way to build a passive royalty empire from scratch. Do not miss this early bird pricing. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your discount and claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching my AudioMint review on App Verdict. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point software reviews. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Go click the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.